how about a bath bomb review? This is the So White bath bomb. It's just a plain white bath bomb. This was probably one of my favorite holiday products this year. I got a lot of them at their end of Christmas sale because it's just I like it a lot. I don't know. That's it, I guess. It smells like fresh apples, which really isn't a Christmas scent, but it smells so good, and I don't care. It doesn't need to put me in a Christmas mood or anything. It's like fresh apples, and I don't even know how they put that smell into this little bath bomb, but I love it. And it has the Bubble Bar formula scraped right into it. So just like the winter bath, I think even more so than the winter bath, you put it in, and it creates this. First of all, it takes forever to dissolve. It takes a very long time. At least mine did. And then it leaves a layer of foam over the top, and it's so soft and moisturizing, and the scent lingered on my skin for a long time, so I smelled like apples and freshness, and it was great. So I like that it dissolves very slowly, and it's very creamy and frothy. It doesn't fizzle out right away. So I got a ton of these, and they have to bring this back next year. I hope they do. Hope mine lasts me until next year. And this is what I paired with half of the Ginger House Bubble Bar. I can't get the name right. And it smelled like apple cider, so that was pretty fun. But I like it a lot. That's the So White bath bomb.